Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme C31 to an Android device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them and click on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then open it. I already did that because it was taking forever to download, so I can open it right away, and from the screen here, select I accept, then confirm, continue, and finally allow. Over here, select receive on an Android and send on Realme. Then tap on all of those dots on Realme smartphone and choose send. This way you will select all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take some time, so I will go with only one photo, just send and click on get it. Over here on an Android, choose no thanks and tap on close this window. Then you have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app in the pop-up and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and click on receive to connect our smartphones. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!